Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Let's talk about today's inspiration, that is mimosa tree and its attractive pink and golden yellow flower clusters, gracefully spreading branches and its delicate leaves. Yes, today I will show you how to paint mimosa flower designs on bookmarks. Mimosa is one of the most beautiful winter flowering shrubs. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's quickly list out the material. Camel Artist 18 shades watercolor cakes, cold press handmade watercolor paper. Cut the A1 size sheet into bookmark size. Also you need tissue paper, a palette and a glass of water. Here I am using 6 number round brush and fine tip brush. I like to start the painting with flowers. Here I am using crimson red lake. Mix it up with water to get very light consistency. Start with lighter wash because it's easier to go deeper in color later. Okay. Here I leave in white center. I add couple of flowers and place it randomly. With the clean brush, means using water, smoothen the hard edges of the flower. I add the dark pink around the white center of the flower and spread it smoothly. Mix up the burnt umber with black color. Add it to the center of the flower. It gives the depth and 3D effect to the flower. Now I am going to add very delicate branches using mixing up with yellow ochre and sap green color, which could connect the leaves and flowers together. Also I am adding couple of leaves. It has very thin and sensitive leaves. It looks like ferns. Leaves are the main attraction of this design. Yes, my first design is over. This is my second design. It's about mimosa golden flower. Here I am using dark green color for leaves and lemon yellow color for the flower clusters. Adding the leaves over the flower, or you can add the leaves wherever you want. Once I have lemon yellow color down, I start to add deep yellow clusters here and there. It looks more interesting instead of looking completely flat. And also add touch up with dark green color dots. Finally, I have completed my designs. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.